Saga, what you tell the people about my world?
Yeah.
Go and tell them say I love you know. And then if you dash for the rifle where they have and make we live clean. And that them fi bumbo crack deal with.
Where is the spanglers?
I know but
Yes,
I
Spanglers.
Come in man, tell it world.
Tell something good man, I want me to tell the righteousness.
I can't sink down any further, lying next to me. You turn the gray into color, it's all over your face. This love is a weapon, so take me in your arms and make it okay. Tell me that we can before it's too late. Sun goes down and I can't sleep. Every second at full speed. As long as you're right next to run underwater,
It's alright, if I go on video, my boss, I don't mind that.
Yeah?
You don't mind that.
Good man.
Alright, respect my channel. Beautiful hills, people. Some of the right now in the hills are St Ann, people. So all who never seen the hills yet, this is what it look like. You know, a lot of mountain range, like it's all mountain range. So you find most people live on the mountains and in the valleys. You know, a lot of fruit trees, guys. Yeah, I go stop where they have some fruit trees and stuff and catch the different variety of fruits. But right now, still have a little journey ahead to reach my hometown. See a farmer down there plant cabbage, nice cabbage field. Yeah man, so catch me on the journey, peeps. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the post notification bell for upcoming videos, guys. You don't know today is a bike adventure. We are adventure into the hills. So catch you guys on the journey. mountain range. Oh, whoa! This is what you call natural beauty. Yeah, man. Yo. It's that, people. I tell you, it's a beautiful people. So as me I said, the mountains up here, so this part of the island, guys, is all mountains, you see it? So you find people who live down like in the valleys and stuff. I tell you, extremely beautiful. But yeah, as you know, I'm up on the journey, people. And yeah, I'm not ride without no helmet, so no bash me, yeah? It's alright. Catch me on the journey. So I reach a one part where the St Ann mountain, you see it. So if anyone ever hear about bauxite mining, you see it, this is it. So right there is a bauxite road. You see them not started the mining down there yet, because I think I hear that the company shut down. So them are gonna extract the bauxite from down here, and this is the road that the trucks drive to bring it to the plant. You see it? Yeah, man, people, may I tell you, the mountains are very beautiful, you know, as you can see, peeps. Yeah, man, some people where they all, you know, peoples in US, Europe, anywhere across the world that you are, if you ever never seen the mountains of Jamaica, this is what they look like. So right now I'm in the hills of St Ann, almost the heart of St Ann, should say. So this is called the Jayaba Mountains, you see me? So it's not one mountain alone, it's like a zone of mountain range, as you can see, like it's all just mountain range, you know. Yeah, man, I'm not sure what the ice peak is. I'm gonna check it out, and I'm gonna drop it in the video, so you know what the ice mountain range is. But yeah, guys, as you can see, me up on the journey. So yeah, man, now remember, guys, to like, share and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell for upcoming videos, so you know, guys, catch me further along the journey. Now there's a car coming in the distance. Roads are very narrow. Yeah. Alright, peeps, so we reach my hometown now. Yeah, man, so I'm there in a mirror house, Buxton, St Ann. So right now I'm going to go down in the village, people. So catch me down in the village. You see it? Look how beautiful this is, man. You don't know, guys, this is just a simple adventure, but you know, it's a learning adventure. So catch you guys in the village with the people. Yeah, peeps, I'm reaching now, I'm part of now in my village, but a beer in. You see it? Yeah, look, right now see me all kind of wet up there, you see it? Yeah, man. Show now what go on. See it? Yeah. So as you know, people, carrying the hills and get some good Jamaican rum, you see it? Sell it! People the lighting kind of bother me this, so I mind that. You see it? Sell it, boss. I want that strong shot. What you have? Kulu Kulu? Eh? Alright, give me a Kulu Kulu special. People, if you don't know, Kulu Kulu is like moonshine, you see it? It's like a unprocessed rum in Jamaica, but it's a delicacy up in the hills, you see me? Yeah, man, very good. So, Godfather go shot it to me, you know, you see it? Strong drink, you see it? Yeah, man.
Up.
So yeah, people, a good drink of the kulu kulu. You need not special, eh?
You want boom?
Yeah.
Hey, you boy, chef. Shell, how you doing? You don't see now going good. Eh? Now see you from what day? Alright.
Yeah, man, count more night. Strong rum this too. Alright.
Come on.
Alright, my boss. Respect.
One up.
Daddy sell it that, you know?
One up.
Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, as you know it, rain or fall, I have a drink around, can't beat. So right now, a beer rain out there right now, as me reach. I tell you, I saw the hills stay still, you see it? Yeah, man, so I'm sure now I go on with the rain. As they say, don't bow to me. That is it. So yeah, my people, I don't know, catch me on the journey, catch me on the adventure. You don't know your boy run wildlife out here, you see me? Big up on yourself. Yo! I pray. There, dog. Yo, I'm not telling you if you link, my brother. Where you say me for do? Look, I'm forward it. What's me tell you, say I deal with it, you know, bro?
Why deal with it, man?
Yeah, peeps. Nah, man, I lie. They're up in the mountain. You see? I say, people, beauty can't get any better. Tall in about on Mount Everest. So we're outside. Yeah, we there one square. So you have Kensington and you have Goodland. Yeah. Nah, man. So, you know what thing go. So we reach the destination and I head to, so. And just stay tuned, you see it? Alright people, earlier we did show now our road. So this would be backside road where it cars the government road now. As you can see. Yeah man. Nice little farm, corn, yam, you know, breadfruit, you know, nestberry. Yeah man. Forward there, yeah? Yeah, man, forward. Right, people. So as you know, reach reach. So people, this are my whole yard, you see it. Father house to the right angle, so I grew up down on the lane down there, so you see it. And yeah, people, I come from, like, as I tell you, I'm from the mountains. I'm from the hills, you see it. Yeah, man. This is what it look like. Yeah. As you know, people, my family have a rich history right here, so this place right here used to be a like, it's like a plantation, may I tell you straight. You see me, so my ancestry I come down from that. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, man, so right down there, so them did have a chimney. You break down now, there was a oven. And right down there, so there was a big building, but backside mine out the land, so them did push it off, you see it? So yeah, I think around here, so a oven is still here. I'll show you what's up. Yeah, so show you what go on. Graham! What happened? I come to my grandmother. A long time my grandmother no see me see me. Yeah, nice flowers, get that thing. Yeah, man, so right here, that little platform, that was a oven, you see it? Yeah, man, that was a oven. So all of them property was owned by my family, and it's still owned by my family. You see it, so right there, I did want to visit sister grave, but now I get to visit it on the vlog here because I'll be here in. So right here you have some nice mint. This is the rosemary bush. Yeah, man, smell good too. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, man, so yeah, people, they are up in the hills. So people, catch me from the top.
We know the man is Zachariah, man.
So when you make me nasty, that when you use
Zachariah.
when you use that, come here and use that.
No, Zachariah.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, vlog. You see people, whole heap of fruits. So we have grapefruit pan tree. All these things. That.
Yes,
sir. Joe. Bubble. Yes, sir, easy.
Go find you so easy.
Tony. Stagger, what you tell people about my world, sir?
Go and tell them, say, I love you, know. And then if you dash for the rifle where they have, and make we live clean. And that them fi bumbo crack deal with.
Where is the spanglers?
I know, but
Yes, the spanglers.
Come in, man. Tell it,
brother.
Tell something good, man. I don't want me to tell the righteousness.
We are dealing, man. We do good, you know.
So you see people right now there in the hills with the elder them are going easy. We just drink some rum. And they are easy.
Yeah, man. And some farming here over there.
Yeah, man. It's easy. Where you plant now?
Boy, right now, some lights I want to plant the whole world and to feed the whole world.
Yeah, people, so we in a place. So right, as a people, you can't hungry as a see fruit tree. Papa tree. Yeah, man. So right, let's say you have a June plum tree. You have a whole heap of banana there, so chocho. Right, let's say you have cocoa. And this a building of food in our people. You can't hungry. People, let me tell a man, say when me grew up, me hungry. Honestly, never, no time. If I don't have meat, you have food. You see it? You have food. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, people. Pretty man. Spanglers. Yeah, man. You say no, Godfather. Yeah, man. You're from a little, me know them man, and from me poo-poo in a pampas.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Stagger.
Yeah,
Tony, yeah, man.
Yes, yes.
I work at Kaiser, them man, I cook my food, them man, I give me 30 dumplings. Wonder, oh, hey, you have to wonder how one man is 30 dumplings. And people now tell them was a little dumpling, you know, big dumpling, you know. Me and them man, I cook big pot chicken, one or two chicken when I cook, you know, man. Yeah.
And right here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, why man come back and tell you, in spite of all what your father do, you don't lick.
Yeah, man. But I say, them man, I grow my people, you see it. I have to honor and respect them, man. Them man, I have to respect them, you see it. So people, I see it, I can show you in the house. When I house, when I grew up, you see it. can't see it good, but it dey right through this, you see me? Yeah, man, this how I grew up, man, you see it? Yeah, man. Bless up, my general. Yeah, man. Alright, that's up. This is my lane. Born and growing in that lane, you see it? So the road I take you back around my grandmother and my father, you see it? Yeah, man. Alright, that's how my cousin shop said, you see it? Right, that's a people. This is an apple tree. The apple on the pond. Ah, bro, one apple upon it. Apple upon the tree now, people. Apple upon the tree. I'm now pick now apple now. See that? They want to have some small apple, and people, these are Jamaican apple, you see me? Me don't know probably what I call them. I think in Puerto Rico, they have a different name for it. You see, me don't know the name. I check it out. But I met a guest from Puerto Rico and them tell me that they call it a different name. You see it? Come on. So people here, you don't know I'm a hometown people. It's been a while I come back, about 3 months, you see it? People, I have to walk go down and go show you this. I have to go show you this. I have to go show you this. I have to. I go in the bush. I go in the bush, people. You see? I show you how things set at them place with food. Food are no problem. You see it? Food are no problem, I see. You see me? Me no mind walking in the grass. It's not a trouble to me. Not a trouble. Here, peeps. Them places are places I run up on them. All them garden have whole heap of food. So people don't know jackfruit, right? So I say I have some nice cocoa. But look on jackfruit on tree. Jackfruit upon tree are spoil people. Look there. Can't hungry. In the hills of Jamaica, no time. The peeps. Cabbage field, everything. Talk about my bridge in Zad. You see, place a place we run up on them. So generally. So people, I can tell you people, if you don't come to Jamaica and you want to experience the hills life, people, I recommend you come here. So. People friendly, everything is so good, you see me? Yeah man. Everything there, you see it? So I always recommend people to see. Alright, my general, little more. I always recommend people to come see them the side of Jamaica here, you see it? Yeah man, it's a thing when you get to see, because most people come them in at the resort, them dip on the north coast. Yeah, I know when I come for the beaches and thing, and the rivers, but yo, them places are different. It's a different energy, people. Look how me I glow. I tell you man, different. Yeah man, we're up on the Jayaba mountain. Yeah man. Alright, watch it again people. Circle the camera, bubble down there so. Right, there's some people have sugar cane. Can't hungry. Banana. Can't hungry. If a man there so hungry, me don't know that work. What you say, Jazzy T?
True man, if a man there hungry boy.
It's a story and a half. So people, yo, just big up on yourself right now. We want to catch more footage in the farm them and thing, but the rain fall and the grass wet. Can't manage that now. I'm not used to it again. It's going to sick me out, you see it? So, it's what it is, you see it? So just big up on yourself. Catch me on the journey going down, you see it?